Namaste, I'm Vandana here. Thank you for joining my learning series. I'm very grateful for your willingness to learn from me and also for your monetary contribution you made for my 5-day WhatsApp class. Right? So, I know there are many programs out there, so many Facebook ads, so many emails that you might be receiving, and so much noise, and yet you chose to spend your time and money with me, right? So I'll make sure that you get the most of your investment with me and you have significant learnings and takeaways that you can apply in your business for your business growth. So I do understand that making an investment in your learning tells me so much about yourself, right? About your inclination to create a better life for yourselves and others via your business offerings. Right? It tells me that you are hungry for your growth and aspire to take your business to new heights, to next level, to next orbit. Right? It shows me that you want to be able to reach out to more people so that you can serve them and make a contribution in their lives via your awesome products and services. With that note, I'm super excited to welcome you into my entrepreneurship world. And if my sharing resonates deeply with you, then let's co create a prosperous world that we envision together. Right? So, I would like to just do some context setting on what we will be doing over these 5 days. So, over these 5 days, I will be empowering you with right strategies, powerful techniques, hacks, shortcuts that worked for me across my 7 diverse businesses that I started from scratch as an employee turned first generation, super successful serial entrepreneur, right? So we'll also discover the exact secrets system that wealthy business owners use worldwide to start and scale their businesses. You will also get exposure to some tools and techniques which are required for rapid business expansion. I'll also help you understand the concept of leveraging other skills for your own business growth. We will also look at how to automate your business using digital technology, the current age tools, and social media, right? Is that what you want? All right. We will also look at how to generate sales for your business, create additional revenue stream, and increase your revenue multifold, leveraging technology, leveraging processes, leveraging people, leveraging powerful new age solutions via automation, via your online presence, whatever is necessary to help you grow your revenue, right? Is that what you want to learn from me? Is that what you signed up for the program? I hear a yes. Thank you. And that is the agenda of our 5-day WhatsApp class, right? So, see, the 4 pillars of my success are people, process, technology, and tools. And the most important person in this whole thing is you, right? Your thoughts, your mindset, your approach, your perspective, your ideas, your strategies, your business that made you an entrepreneur. So it is very important to work on you, right? Which is the foundation of whatever you do first, right? So on day one, I'll be covering the self growth secrets. Okay. On day two, we will look at people, which is your team, which is your partners, your employees, your suppliers, vendors, your your family, your social circle, your professional circle, right? People, the team, right? It's so important to work with the right team, right? And you never get a right team. You have to make your team right. So we will be looking at the team growth secrets. On day three, we will look at the cash growth secrets, right? Most of the business owners face the cash flow problems. And somehow we have managed our finances pretty well across all our businesses, thanks to my husband, who is very good with numbers. And he made me also understand numbers, which I was lacking before, right? So it's very important to have that cash flow in business, because that can make or break your business. So what are the cash growth secrets? We'll be covering in day 3, right? Not everything, as you understand. I'll not be able to take, I mean, these are years of learnings and insights, which we cannot cover everything in the 5-day WhatsApp class, but I'll give you the most important piece, most important golden nugget that you can apply in your business. Okay. Then day 4, we will look at the digital automation growth secrets, right? How to leverage technology for your business, because no one is untouched by technology right now. And COVID has taught us the importance of having an online presence, right? So what it takes to have a great online presence, which can work for you like another outlet, another office, another showroom online, okay, in the virtual world, in the internet world, right? And day 5, we will look at how to build a legacy business. And first 4 days, I'll be sharing with you videos on YouTube, or maybe in my learning management hub. It depends. Okay. And day 5, we will have a live session together. All right. I look forward to meeting you and helping you address your question and answers, help you overcome your growth blockers. All right. So is that what you would like to do? Is that what you would like to learn? Great. Then you might have made a great choice and a great decision, right? So would you also like to know a little bit more about your mentor? That's me, your trainer, okay, for those 5 days. I do hear a loud and clear yes, okay. So let me give you a brief snapshot of my life, all right. So I come from very humble beginnings, just like some of you here, right? My father met with a tragic accident when I was like 5 years old, and my mother had to support the entire family. Okay. So it was like very emotionally, financially challenging times for us. I would say those were tough times for us, our family, right? And since my parents were striving to make a decent living due to all the challenges they were going through, struggling with day-to-day life, right? I happened to learn the key lessons of life very early in my life. Okay. When other children were playing in the toy kitchen, I was playing in real kitchen, helping my mother run her tiffin business so that uh, our family can survive. Right. So that made me over mature than my age. There were times when I was alone in my home, and that made me think and act independently, take my own decisions, right? It was a question of survival, and I sailed through it. So struggling to find a job that matched my potential post-graduation, post-engineering, to climbing the corporate ladder faster than my peers, to being victim of office politics. Okay. That made me leave my job without having anything else in hand. And actually, that became a blessing in disguise for me, because that was the beginning of the evolution of an entrepreneur within me, which I had never thought about. I never thought I would be an entrepreneur in my life, right? So I met my life partner, who is now my business partner as well, while I was working for TCS in the year 1999 in Mumbai. And together we have started 7 diverse entrepreneurial ventures, clocking a turnover of more than 100 plus crores since 2006, right? As someone rightly said, that tough times make you tougher. So though I had many complaints with life while I was going through all these problems that were creating havoc in my growing years, when I reflect back, whatever I have become today, I owe it to all those experiences, and I'm ever grateful to life to teach me the lessons that I had to learn and master so that I can grow and also help others to grow as well, also help you to grow as well, right? So my life reflects growth, and hence your growth matters to me. I have summed up my entire life into 3 secrets that have helped me create this lifestyle, right? The number 1 secret is the add formula. Just add my add formula to your life, where ADD, add, stands for actions, decisions, and direction, right? It's very important to take actions and decisions in the right direction, in the vertical direction of growth. You may be, taking actions, but what if you are just going around and round a circle and reaching nowhere? So your direction of the effort that you put in is very important. It's very important to take actions and decisions and in the right direction, right? And the number two secret that I call is the 4A approach for super success in business. And these 4A stands for adaptability, ability, actionability, and accountability, right? So adaptability is how soon you can shift from one situation to another. Like in COVID timelines, it is how adaptable you are right now to make the necessary disruption in your life, because we are shifting to a new world, and new world means new rules, right? So how comfortable you are, or how easier it is for you to adapt to the changing environment, right? And ability, because a lot of things are changing around. The technology is changing, the world is growing at a rapid phase. All of us realize the need to skill ourselves with new age tools and solutions, right? So it's ability is what skills that you need right now to be able to thrive in your business. And just knowing, having enough knowledge is not going to take you anywhere, because it is very important to take actions and apply those learnings, because knowing is not doing, only doing is doing, right? And then accountability is such an important aspect of a world-class entrepreneur, because when you take up entrepreneurship, you have a higher purpose. You are not just doing it for yourself, because there are employees, partners, vendors, suppliers, so many people who are dependent on you, right? So first it is your need, right? And then along with your need, if you are able to help people around you, and when you grow exponentially in your business, then you look at contributing to a larger society, to your city, to your country, and to the entire world, right? So once you become accountable to yourself, not only to yourself, to a mentor that you look up to, and to the people that you feel responsible for, that's where your growth happens. By your growth happens exponentially, and you become unstoppable. You can grow by leaps and bounds, because now you are looking and working towards a higher purpose, right? So I have applied all of this in my life, learning from super successful entrepreneurs worldwide, and that empowers me to operate like a world class entrepreneur, right? And the number three secret is my 8G network, okay, where this G stands for, this is my growth path, okay. G stands for give, okay, because when you truly give without any intention of what you will gain out of it, you actually gain, right? Because you are aligned to the laws of life. So give, gain. And when you start gaining, growth happens in your life, right? It is naturally flowing into your life. And then a phase comes in your life where you must express gratitude for whatever you have achieved, whoever has helped you achieve what you have achieved so far, right? So the first G is give, second G is gain, third G is growth, fourth G is gratitude, right? And when you are in that grateful mode, gratitude mode, God enters your life, okay. God, or the higher force, or the existential energy that exists, whatever you prefer to call, enters your life, okay, on its own, right? And then you realize your purpose on this planet, which I call, it's on this planet Gaia, it's called Gaia. Mother Earth is called Gaia, Gaia, right? So you are discovering yourself so that you should be able to contribute to Mother Earth, Gaia, right? And when you set those intentions of contribution, you become a very generous human being, where everything in your life is about giving, right? Giving unconditionally. You become compassionate, you become more loving, and that's how generosity, which is the seventh G, enters your life. And when you're able to do all of these, you unleash the greatness within. You unleash the greatness of being a human in this lifetime, right? So these are the 8 Gs. I will repeat the 8 Gs: give, gain, growth, gratitude, God, Gaia, generosity, and greatness. So I have summed up entire life learnings so far that I had into these 3 secrets that you can also apply and truly operate like a world-class entrepreneur in business and an entrepreneur of life, right? So as your profit and peace expert, profit, prosperity, and peace expert, I am on a mission to help you run your business like world-class entrepreneurs. Run it in a better way than you are doing now, so that you can grow exponentially first, and then by leaps and bounds. Depends on how far you want to go, right? Fill gaps in your processes so that you can make the most of what you have. I would also like to share my knowledge and deep business insights so that you can overcome obstacles that are stopping you to fulfill your revenue and growth potential. Okay. With my Grow with the Flow 5-day WhatsApp program. Okay. I also see that many people find themselves stuck in areas that do not work for them, like dead end job or role, due to many notional fears they may have, right? And I realized that when you face those fears, an unstoppable version of you gets discovered in the process. And that's what has happened to me, right? I have run my rat race. And the moment I had my realization, I decided to stop doing whatever does not resonate with whatever does not resonate any longer with my beingness. So today I spent most of my time doing what I love doing. Okay. I don't have to worry about money. I don't have to worry about career aspirations or ambitions. I don't feel like left out in the race of life, as I'm not running that race anymore. Right? Would you want to do that? Right? I feel so fulfilled and complete with life, and I want to share my journey from having nothing, being a nobody, a struggling job seeker, to victim of office politics, to the evolution of entrepreneur in me, to be able to live life on my terms, to be able to be in a position to contribute in your lives, right? So if you believe you are cut out for bigger things in life, I would love to be your mentor, as I have walked that path myself. And if you want to learn the secrets to bring financial abundance in your life, then my husband and I are the right mentors for you, as we have done it for ourselves. And if you want to shift from being an ordinary to an extraordinary entrepreneur, well, you are at the right place. I am your expert to help you address your growth blockers and share how this is possible through very powerful insights that I have gained and applied in my own life and across my various business ventures. And it will be my honor to be able to serve you, guide you, mentor you, help you, empower you, enable you, educate you. All right. So I'll be sharing some of my stories to inspire and transform the way you look at your business. Okay. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, keep growing, keep evolving.